So here we have the Skoda Rapid on a 13 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. From the outside though, you can see that it's a 4-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way back round to the front of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge. And on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 47,704. And then we have a trip computer above that. You can change the information that's displayed up here and change the various settings, time-wise, etc., using the buttons just there. Over in the centre, we have the stereo for the car. So we've got the CD player, as you can see. Below that, we have access to our radio. So every push of that button will take you through a different frequency in terms of FM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. You'll see that we've got auxiliary input for this car. And a CD player, of course, just there. Main volume for the stereo is there. Beneath that, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the air. When you're happy with those settings, that's the air conditioning off or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. Beneath that, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when the orange light shows. We have our heated rear screen there as well. Deadlock, so you can lock the car doors from the outside, and that button on the left-hand side will turn on or off the traction control for the car. Underneath that section, we have our auxiliary and USB inputs for your music, and then a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.